there, Modular members and Eurorack enthusiasts. I'm so excited today. My last box of modules arrived so I can complete my case. Can you guess what I got? First we have Marbles by Mutable Instruments. Can you guess what toy they sent this time? Here we have the module with the cable inside. We have 2 screws. Picture of our Indian lady. Thicker brochure to teach us how to use it. And a dice. A dice, dear friends, is so synonymous with what marbles does. Marbles is a random module. Roll the dice and see what you get. Thank you, Mutable Instruments. Next up we have plats, or plates, I don't know how you want to pronounce it, plats, by Mutable Instruments. Anybody knows what toy comes with plats? Well, you won't have long to find out. Look what we've got here. We've got the module with the cable, as you can see clearly in the video. And we've got an amazing contraption here with string inside of it. What is it? Is it a gyroscope? It looks like a giant oversized top, but the presence of the string inside that hole that you see suggests that it could be some kind of gyroscope. Dear friends, can you see it clearly in the video? We just want you to know that the good people at Mutable Instruments don't disappoint. Here also we have some screws and another little picture of Our Lady, and of course our manual. So let's get the items into the rack. Also in the box was some Hossa cables, 6 inches and 1 foot cables. Boy, are we going to have a nice time patching and helping you to make better music and produce it. There was actually a second dice that came with the marbles. As you can see, here it is. It was stuck to the packaging, so that's why we didn't see it when we were unpacking. So there you can see the completed rack, and we are going to do a separate video for each one of these modules, so you will have something to look forward to, along with giving you some patches and all the information that you would desire for a system such as this. Hey guys, we got a real fancy oscillator here. Bear in mind this is with nothing patched, or just the output going to the amplifier. We have 16 modes, as you can see. And when we switch to these 8, see how it tunes there? It's like more than one oscillator in one. Well, you can see why they call it a macro oscillator. Gives you many sort of oscillators in one. And that's only through the output. Well guys, these are all complex modules with tons of features, and I'm going to get quite a few videos to make out of them. Exploring all the various details, so you have something to look forward to shortly on the channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.